Alright, Brian, it's me, Nicholas. I got your email the other night. I just wanted to show you that sound that I'm hearing and see if you can tell if it's injectors ticking or the cams or VCT solenoids. I mean, here's the top view. Here's that ticking noise I'm talking about. Gas kicking on. Sounds like it's coming from back here. Well, number 4 cylinder, but I can't tell. And of course, I took it to the dealer. They said it was fine, said it was normal. Just them being lazy. I don't know what else to do. I guess just try a different dealer. But is that normal? I really can't tell, so I just wanted to get your opinion and send you a video and see if you could tell if that was normal or not. I just hear it on the passenger side. I'm gonna go over to the driver's side and make sure I don't hear it. That noise is injectors. See, I don't hear it on this side. Fan's off now, they can hear it a little better. You hear it? I don't know, man. I don't know what to think. Well, Brian, I'm done with this. I'm going to send it to you, and I hope that you'll be able to tell me if I should take it to another dealer or determine if that's normal. I don't think it is. So, I'll talk to you later, but thank you again so much for your help. Bye-bye.